staggered stance deadlift with rear foot elevated. So there are two variations I'm going to show you. We're going to need a wall. I would use this chimney. So position one, my left foot, I'll go here. So I'll show you my right foot is actually on the wall, but my toe is touching the floor. And from here, I step forward and I hinge. I look down. So the leg that's working is the left leg. I'll give you a front view. So it's the same right foot, toes touching the wall, foot against the wall. My left leg working. Pull back my shoulder blades, hip hinge, hip hinge. My body moves as one unit with a neutral neck. Weight shift to your heels. This knee is never locked, soft knee bend. I'm going to show you the next one is where my same leg, same foot is higher, about the height of my knee. Pull back my shoulder blades, hip hinge, I look down, and then I come back up. I'll show you this front view. Same thing, foot against the wall. Coach Julio pro tip, if you're having trouble with balance, you can touch something like a chair with your free hand. Pull back my shoulder blades, hip hinge. Come back up. If I prescribe weights, your free hand, the hand with the knee bend, is the one that will have the dumbbell or the resistance. Positioning is like this. You want to shift your leg forward or back and stop doing that when you start to feel the hamstring or the glute. Once you feel the glute being worked in any way, shape, or form in a good way, you found optimal position. And from there, all you have to do is do it for the prescribed repetitions. Enjoy the exercise.